Hey guys, so Keandra and I just got done eating at Holman's, I think, and Finch. I think that's the name of it. They claim to have the best burger in Atlanta. I will say they are one of the best. I think Nordstrom Burger still reigns supreme, but the cook on this one, like the way that they cook the meat, the flavor, all of it was amazing.
And we didn't have to request them to make.
Yeah, we didn't have to make any special requests or anything. Very impressive. The bacon was really good. All of that. The bun was really good. It comes with 2 pieces of meat. I'm not a 2 pieces of meat fan on burgers.
I am.
So I took one off. And so, but yeah, I mean, it's really up there. It is of top tier. It is a burger of top tier, okay? So yeah, we're headed to Atlantic Station, gonna walk around Banana Republic. I got this top recently from Banana Republic. We've seen some really good things on their website, so we want to see if they have anything in the store.
Headed to Target. We are getting our tire changed. Not exactly sure what I ran over, but like the past 2 days we've had like the tire to go down, and then we'd put air in it, and then the air would like seep out, and then by the time we get up the next day and we go and get in the car, it was out of the tire, or the tire was very low. So we had to take it to Firestone. We had an appointment this afternoon, and of course they're going to keep it doing the work on it, and we're going to Target. So yeah, I'm going in here to walk around. Not exactly sure what we're going to look around and look at. Might get something, might not, but yeah. headed back to Firestone now, finally. They better be done with our car. So I have an appointment, but yeah, so hopefully they're done. And if they're not, we'll wait. Be mad, but we'll wait.
So guys, we are headed to Sephora. I have to pick up an order that I made. I ran out of deodorant, so I need more. I was at the very last bit. And then we are going, I can't remember where else we're going, but I have to look to see what else I have on my list. I'm not going to be able to do my content today. I got in a package. I got to show you guys when I get home. I'm so excited about it. I'm excited to share it with you guys. I'm not going to tell you yet what it is. We're going to let you see it. It's really cute. But yeah, so we're leaving Firestone. And yeah, so of course we're going to let you guys see anything else that we get into today. So Keandra and I are back home, and really quick before we get on our live tonight, I wanted to come on and show you guys the piece that I got. I told you guys that I had a surprise, so I was contacted by Kalanah Barfield's team, Kalanah Barfield Brown, her team, because she's doing volume 2 of her collection. It came out yesterday at Target. At Target! At select Targets. And so they contacted me because they wanted to send me a piece, and it came in the mail. Let me see if I can get it all in the shot. Get a taste, get a taste, get a taste. What was that lady's name?
Norma G?
Something G.
I don't know. Court G? I don't know.
So I'm going to open the box now so that you guys can see what it is. And I already opened the box, so I'm not going to act like I'm surprised. It is the trench, like the hoodie trench coat. I have seen so many people want this. So they sent me a large. I am not a large. I'm likely like an extra large or even a 2X. I'm going to try it on to see. I don't know. It might be oversized. That might be why they sent it. I haven't tried it on yet. And so, but it's cute. This is like, it's got the hoodie attached to the coat, and it's got like these traditional ribbed sleeves, and then it's like a cropped, let's see if I can open this. It's a cropped, because I saw this on her on Instagram, so that's how I know like what it looks like. It's great quality, y'all. The stuff is really great quality. Yeah, so it's a cropped hoodie, and so it has a real zipper, and it is a nice zipper too. And so it's gray. This is gonna be good like with leisure stuff, like with my leggings and stuff like that. This is a little bit outside of like my style. So like I'm definitely a trench girl, definitely like a hoodie type person, but together I don't normally do that. So this is going to be very fun to style and kind of get out of my comfort zone. I love, like when people kind of step out of their comfort zone. I'm going to try this on. I'm likely not going to try it on and film it tonight. I'm doing content tomorrow for Pair Eyewear. Have I shown you guys the eyewear? I don't think I've shown you guys the eyewear. hold on one second. So these are the glasses that I chose from Pair Eyewear. I'm doing a collaboration with them, and so they sent these over. It is a partnership that I have to do some content for. So I love this, that they have this kind of rounded top and bottom, and of course I have to do a cat eye because that just really frames my face well. These are made so well. So these are the Pair Eyewear. These are my Gucci ones, and the plastics on them feel so similar. So this is a really good quality, and I love how the arms, like it's like a kind of like a, not a spring, but it's just a really good quality closure. I can tell that these are gonna last very long. The cool thing about Pair Eyewear, y'all, so like when Keandra and I buy a pair of sunglasses for us can run up to like $1,000 plus, because we get designer frames, but then on top of that, our lenses are like $500 because we get the high index. I got high index in these. I think their high index is around like $117. And the frames themselves, I have to price check, but I think they're about $60. And then they have toppers. So these toppers just, oh my gosh, that's so cool. They pop on. So these are just like cat eye sunglasses, but this is what they look like. And I mean, it's just so cool. So now you don't have to purchase eyewear, sunglasses, all the nines. You can get toppers and you can get eyewear, pop this on based on how you look. And like, how cute is this gonna look? This is gonna be so cute. So I'm so excited about this collaboration. So tomorrow I'll be doing content for them, and then I'll put together some, because I know that someone asked, I think last month, if we could do, if we could style the Kalanah Barfield items that we got more jeans from the second drop. And so we're gonna film that up, and I'm gonna try this on and let you guys see some ways that I would style it. Yesterday today, on today's vlog for the Holman and Finch, I wore the Kalanah Barfield pleated jeans. So like I got those because they're like trousers, so cute. And then my Banana Republic flannel top. It was just such a cute look. Got lots of compliments. So I'll show you guys some more ways that I'll style them.